Volvo excavator EC140 today with the D4D diesel, and this machine has a broken radiator fan adapter. Look at that, this aluminum adapter just broke a half, and machine only has around 7,000 hours, not that many. Okay, we have a broken adapter. In this video I will demonstrate how to get it fixed and get machine back to business. Right, if you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. And I already have few interesting, helpful Volvo excavator repair videos on my channel. Check them out, they will put down in the description, and let's get started. Okay, let's check if we have any play on a fan hub bearing. Those hubs are notorious to fail, the bolt breaks and take quite a few things with it. Okay, let's disconnect coolant level sensor. This is your expansion reservoir for the coolant. 12mm socket to remove fan guard. Let's do that. And this video is a demonstration and will give you a general idea how to do this type of repair. Well, alright, there is another bolt on another side. Remove that guard, and now we have to pull that fan. Okay, as you can see, it just broke a half, aluminum cracked and broke, and fortunately we don't have any damages to the radiator. I have another video when the fan hub failed, bolt broke, and we had a hole in the radiator, big repair. Okay, 10mm socket to remove that remnant of the adapter from the pulley. There is a 4 bolts around, remove those ones, pretty easy. And as you can see, there's plenty of room on Volvo to work, not such a bad design, but those fan hubs are really causing problems on those machines. 6 cylinders, 4 cylinders, pretty much the same issue. Okay, upper radiator hose we have to remove, just catch that coolant which will come out, and won't be much. Plug the hole, and now we're ready to pull the fan out. Just work it out as I'm doing. I also disconnected that overflow line. Oh, I lost my hose clamp, I will get it later. Okay, and that way you can pull it out. All parts are out. Let's take a closer look, and as you can see, it's just broke, and the design is not that solid, I would say. You see the thin aluminum, and I have a small chunk of fan blade broke, and I will just take the same amount of plastic on the other side for the equal balance. Okay, here's another fan adapter, came from the local Volvo dealer, and as you can see, there's a new part, same thing, just compare them side by side. And yeah, that's what we have. Let's just assemble the fan with a fan adapter. I'm using the blue Loctite on my bolts. Let's get those 4 in place. I just starting bolts by hand, and this is a demonstration to give you a general idea, and I just tie them up slightly with my impact. I don't hammer them hard, just started. Remember, that's aluminum, you need to be more conscious. And then I torque my 10mm bolts by hand. I go just by feeling, have done it many times, stuff like that. And yeah, make sure they're snagged. And I don't have exact torque specs for those bolts, but the 10mm don't go too crazy. Okay, and this is a Loctite I'm using, and now we have to put our fan with the adapter back in place. Just work it way in, and it will go no problems. There's plenty of room. Just find a sweet spot and just like that. See, it's almost there, just resting on top of the pulley, and just wiggle it and get it inside the radiator shroud. And this video, yeah, is just demonstration. It worked for me, and I hope it will help someone. And align that adapter with the holes on the pulley. And yeah, next I always start bolts by hand, make sure it's not cross-threaded, and then started tightening them with a ratchet and 10mm socket. I have 3 more to go, and after I started all of them, and on a cross pattern, I will go and tie them up. And yeah, I'm using that same Loctite glue on them, and then torque it. And we need to put everything back in place, same way we removed everything. Yeah, if you have any comments, suggestions, critics, questions, put them down in the comment section below under the video. We'll be glad to answer much as I can. Make sure you're comfortable to work, put some cushioning. Okay, I refilled my expansion reservoir, put a coolant there. I've connected everything, and now time to check it out. All right. Yeah. Back to business. Machine is running great, no problem. Didn't take me long to do it. And guys, if you like the video, thumbs up, and yeah, take care of your equipment. Your equipment will take care of you.